The squirrel is one of the most well-known and studied mammals in the world, belonging to the family Squirrelidae, within the order Rodentia. This family includes around 280 species, distributed across temperate, tropical, and urban environments on all continents except Australia and Antarctica. Squirrels have been the subject of numerous zoological studies due to their adaptability, behavioral intelligence, and ecological role in forests and urban areas. The oldest squirrel fossils date back to the Eocene epoch, around 36 million years ago, already showing animals with characteristics similar to modern squirrels. Their evolution is closely linked to the spread of temperate and coniferous forests during the Cenozoic, where the availability of seeds, nuts, and fruits favored the emergence of specific adaptations for food collection and storage. Arboreal squirrels evolved highly agile forelimbs, sharp claws, bushy tails, and specialized jumping muscles, allowing them to move skillfully among tree branches. Terrestrial squirrels developed strategies related to digging burrows and collecting ground seeds, often hiding their food in multiple caches, a behavior known as scatter hoarding. Modern phylogenetic studies based on mitochondrial DNA analyses confirm that Squirrelidae underwent significant adaptive radiation leading to the emergence of various genera, including Squirrus tamius glaucomus, those are flying squirrels, and Ratufa, which are the giant Asian squirrels. Squirrels are found all over the world with different species uniquely adapted to their specific ecosystems. In Europe, the red squirrel, or Squirrus vulgaris, is the most common and native to the continent. However, the eastern gray squirrel, known as Squirrus carolinensis and introduced from North America, often replaces the red squirrel because of competition and, certain diseases. North America is home to the eastern gray squirrel, which is Squirrus carolinensis, the American red squirrel, or Tamias squirrus hudsonicus, and also flying squirrels like Glaucomus volans and Glaucomus sobrinus. These flying squirrels are actually able to glide pretty impressive distances. Asia and Africa are home to some truly remarkable giant arboreal species, like Ratufa indica in India and Ratufa bicolor in Southeast Asia. These squirrels can have body lengths that exceed 50 centimeters, and their tails can reach up to 60 centimeters, which is honestly pretty impressive. Central and South America host a variety of tropical forest-adapted squirrel species. These squirrels are often arboreal, sporting vivid coloration and, displaying pretty complex social behavior. Squirrels are actually opportunistic omnivores, and their diet can vary quite a bit depending on the species and habitat. Most often they eat seeds, nuts, fruits, buds, and fungi, but every now and then they might also consume insects, eggs, and even small vertebrates. Alright, let's dive into the fascinating world of physical adaptations. One of the key features is the bushy tail. It serves multiple purposes, acting as a balance aid during jumps, a cover during sleep, and even as a visual communication tool. Then we have their claws and specialized musculature. These adaptations allow squirrels to climb and jump among branches with ease, and even dig protective burrows when needed. Moving on to spatial memory, squirrels are truly remarkable. They possess an advanced spatial memory, enabling them to remember hundreds of cache locations. This incredible ability helps them avoid pilfering their own stores, using long-term memory strategies to keep their food safe and sound. Now let's talk about social and reproductive behavior. Some squirrel species prefer a solitary lifestyle, while others thrive in small family groups. Courtship and reproduction are often seasonally timed, ensuring the best conditions for raising young. Mothers play a crucial role, protecting and nurturing their offspring in secure nests or burrows. Flying squirrels exhibit complex social behaviors, including acoustic and tactile communication. Squirrels play a vital role in forest ecosystems. They contribute to seed dispersal, aiding tree and plant growth. They also serve as prey for raptors, snakes, and carnivores. Plus, they influence soil structure through digging and caching, which enhances fertility and aeration. Squirrels have long fascinated humans. In European and Asian cultures, they symbolize diligence, cleverness, and foresight, mostly because of their skill in preparing for winter. They appear in fairy tales, legends, and artistic symbolism, often associated with intelligence and curiosity. In urban environments, squirrels have become a symbol of nature and vitality, adapting to parks and city gardens. Extraordinary adaptations and curiosities, flying squirrels can actually glide up to 45 meters using membranes between their limbs. Arboreal species are able to jump up to 3 meters vertically and 5 meters horizontally. Coat coloration varies widely, from the European red squirrel to the American gray, with some tropical species even displaying bicolor patterns. Certain species, like Squirrels carolinensis, are considered invasive outside their native habitats, affecting local ecological balances. The squirrel really exemplifies adaptability and animal intelligence. Its evolution, global distribution, and ability to thrive in diverse ecosystems make it one of the most studied and admired mammals. From European temperate forests to Asian rainforests and urban parks worldwide, the squirrel embodies resilience, curiosity, and ingenuity, symbolizing cleverness and industriousness while inspiring cultural and scientific fascination.